What is up, guys? So today is, I believe, Thursday, October 5th, 2023. It's gonna be chest and triceps for me today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna hit a PR today of 170 pounds because last chest day I hit like 3 PRs. So, but yeah, I'll try definitely at school and see what I can get done in school for my chest workout, and then we'll see what I have to finish up at the gym because I don't have much time in school to do a whole workout, you know what I mean? It takes like 2 hours and the class is like 45 minutes long, so yeah. I'll see you guys after school. What's up, guys? So school just finished. I did 4 sets of barbell bench press, 4 sets of dumbbell flat press. Now I'm gonna do some upper chest and some flies in the gym and tricep stuff. So yeah, I didn't hit 170. I was not close to it, but I didn't get any weaker, so that's good. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the gym. It's like raining right now. You see, my camera is getting all wet and stuff. Not my camera, my phone. One day it'll be a camera. Hey, I'll see you guys at the gym. I was recording for nothing, bro. I was just talking without even recording. Hey, so I just got my bus pass renewed. It expired, so I had to go to the station to like renew it, and now I'm on my way to the gym. So cool. It's like raining, and then you can see all these leaves on the ground and stuff. Man, weather's unique, man. What did I say?